Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just want to make a really quick review of my Braun Clean and Renew refill cartridges. Now, I'm a pretty frugal person, but when it comes to things relating to self-care, especially for a cleaning solution of a device that's going to make direct contact with your face every day, I think it's always best to go with the brand name version versus looking into more questionable alternatives. And the Braun Clean and Renew refill cartridge solution has been perfect in my experience. It uses an alcohol-based cleaning solution with a slight lemon scent, and since it is made by Braun, they're designed, of course, to be compatible with all cleaning and charge units, so they pop right in without any problems. Since I am pretty frugal, a little trick I like to use to make the cartridges last longer is when I'm cleaning my shaver, I'll of course put the shaver into the unit and put the cartridge into the unit as well and turn it on. But when the shaver is done cleaning, I'll remove the shaver and I'll also remove the cartridge and reseal it before later use. By doing this, you can minimize the exposure of the alcohol solution to the air, whereas if you were to leave it in the unit the entire time, you would of course lose a lot of the solution over time due to the evaporation. Because of this trick, and also because each package is pretty big and comes with 3 to 4 refill cartridges, I've only had to buy new refill cartridges for my shaver every few years. With all that said, you want to make sure you have a high quality cleaning solution for your high quality shaver. So pick up some authentic refill cartridges from Braun and you won't regret it.